in town, and that every Rivers man who thinks good of the state and the country should move to register with the new party and ensure that we remove the current government that is going on and stop the hunger that everybody is suffering from.
Okay, so you left the state 10 years ago as a governor. How optimistic are you that the support base you left are still intact?
Let's go outside and see. It's important you see before you ask the question.
Yes. All right. Okay.
Just one more question.
So you are one of the presidential hopefuls as far as ADC is concerned. There's been this question about who gets the ticket and what the rest will do. How prepared are you to ride with this particular narrative?
The moment anybody emerges from the primary, we insist on a free and fair, transparent primary. All of us will support whoever emerges. All of us. That's the agreement.
Thank you very much.